your Sly N Snide Tour guide, Beach Lama. Follow the magic stick. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another insightful and hopefully enjoyable journey through the history, culture, society, sights, and feels of my island, Aruba. I'm your Sly N Snide Tour guide, Beach Lama, and in this edition, we're going to explore the Balashi gold mills and shed some light on certain details of the gold industry you might not be aware of. So, onward we go! Follow the magic stick. In our previous episode, we spoke about Bushiribana gold mills and the history of the gold industry. Here's a short recap just in case you forgot. In 1824, 12-year-old Willem Rasmeyn discovered gold in Rifleuil. This triggered a 30-year-long gold rush that ended in 1854 when digging rights of Arubans were stripped to give concessions to foreign mining companies. Alluvial deposits and mines were located in areas around the hill ranges to the north and northeastern side of the island, in places such as Matividiri, Cerro Cristal, Wariruri, Rifleuil, Daimari, and Miralama, just to name a few. After three of those aforementioned companies tried their luck in vain, concession holder Isola was the victor and managed to extract gold in a somewhat profitable manner between 1868 and 1872. This enterprise provided work for no fewer than 100 people. After a temporary closure, the mines reopened for another 4 years in 1878. By that time, the Bushiribana gold mill was already in use and remained on and off in operation until 1899. Which leads us to our main subject, the Balashi Gold Smelter and Mill. We'll call it the BGSM for short. The Aruba Gold Mining Company built the BGSM in 1899 and opened mines across the islands, providing work for about 200 people between 1901 and 1905. However, rising costs ruined the company in 1908. The concession was sold to the Aruba Goud Maatschappij, Aruba Gold Company for you English speakers. Local elites could finally own shares. Yes, I love gold. Through the introduction of the tribute system, the AGM managed to make decent profits. This method meant that the company itself employed almost no laborers. Instead, anyone could dig for gold ore and sell it to the AGM at will. The AGM processed the raw material, thus shifting the liabilities to the laborers. One of the most profitable and popular mines was called Mil Speranza, and it was located in Miralama. It was the most modern mine at the time, equipped with a wind machine for fresh air circulation and a sloping main shaft that made ladders obsolete, where mine carts would be pulled out with the help of a steam winch. After sorting out the gold ore, the precious material was then transported to Balashi by means of a tractor engine, a big tractor that looked like a 19th century locomotive affectionately called trequinchi in Papiamento. The trequinchi made the long and difficult trip on the specially constructed road leading from Yamanota via Bringamosa and the Frenchman's Pass to BGSM. The gold ore would then be crushed by way of steam mill that would release gold fragments and other residual impurities, which then would be mixed with mercury, dissolving the gold, creating a mercury-gold amalgam separated from the impurities. This mixture is then heated to the point that the mercury evaporates, leaving gold behind. For this process, the BGSM was equipped with 6 fire furnaces, a high crushing mill, a melting furnace, and a huge purification vat. Sadly, or fortunately, the AGM ceased operations during the First World War around 1915 or 16. Reasons being the lack of gunpowder needed for dynamite and the risks for laborers outweighing the reward. And thus, the story of the Balashi Gold Smelter and Mill comes to an end. And in case you're wondering if there's still gold left, well, frankly, if there was, I wouldn't tell you. Ladies and gentlemen, that's it for our episode today. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Links to our previous episodes, social media platforms, and website are in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to Djis YouTube and click that notification bell for more Sly N Snide content. As always, once a guest, always a friend. This is your Sly N Snide Tour guide, Beach Lama.